the 1993 Chevrolet Corvette. Chevrolet made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. Under the hood, you'll find an 8-cylinder engine with more than 300 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. The following features are included: variably intermittent wipers, a leather steering wheel, front fog lights, remote keyless entry, and much more. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, a cassette player, and 4 well-positioned speakers. Chevrolet also prioritized safety and security with features such as traction control, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.